So what's up? Nandito na tayo sa huling topic for civil engineering orientation. This will be the last, but syempre hindi pa natin natatakal yung student manual. Anyway, to civil engineering, sustainability, and the future, start na tayo. Okay. So, construction involves activities like use of buildings, materials from various sources, use of machinery, demolition of existing structures, or use of green fields, or cutting down of trees para syempre pampatayo, which can impact environment in one or more ways. So, civil engineering field being the major part of the economy, it is very essential that sustainable construction practice dominate the past followed conventional construction practice and methods. So, ano nga ba itong sinasabi nilang sustainable? So, according to American Society of Civil Engineers, sustainability is a set of economic, environmental, and social condition in which all of the society has the capacity and opportunity to maintain and improve its quality of life indefinitely without degrading the quantity, quality, or availability of natural, economic, and social resources. So, paano nga ba? Paano nangyayari ito? So, dapat hindi dito. I mean, na-improve yung na-maintain yung quality of way of living ng mga tao na hindi naapektuhan yung resources natin. So, a sustainable building, example, or green building is an outcome of a design philosophy which focuses on increasing the efficiency of resources used, such as energy, water, and materials, while reducing building impacts on human health and the environment during the building's life cycle through better siting, design, construction, operation, maintenance, and the removal. So, green building is interpreted in many different ways. A common view is that they should be designed and operated to reduce the overall impact of the built environment on human health. Dapat ay in human health and natural environment. First is efficiently using the energy, water, and other resources. How? So, paano sa energy? Like, solar powers, or sa water is water collector or wastewater treatment para magamit siya sa ibang purposes. Like, kunyari, yung water collector natin, yung mga, yung mga tubig natin is mapupunta dun sa pag-flush ng tubig. Which is, hindi naman siya iniinom or pang-drain lang naman siya nung ating mga dumi. And second, protecting occupant health and improving employee productivity. So, better to. Parang, normal to. So, paano ka makakatrabaho ng maganda kung yung environment mo is parang ang gulo or hindi masikip, ganon. So, syempre, gumagana yung isip mo according sa nakikita mo at sa paggalaw mo. So, mas maganda yung work environment mo, mas productive ka magtrabaho. Di ba ganun yun? Then, also, reducing waste, pollution, and environmental degradation. So, syempre, paano natin dapat nag-build tayo na hindi masyado tayong gumamit ng mga materials na sobrang nakaka-apekto ng environment natin. Kunyari, sa ng kahoy. Yung mga kahoy na sobrang endangered na, yun yung mga ginamit natin para maggawa ng or di kaya sa pollution is yung mga materials na gagamitin natin is like cement. So, alam naman natin na sa production ng cement is madaming ginamit para mabuo yung cement. So, paano natin to maggamit as one? Itong tatlong to para masabing sustainable building or green building. So, ito dapat. So, sustainable practices dapat nandito lahat. Tatawagin mo lang na green building ang isang building if etong limang ito is nandito. So, sustainable energy consumption like ah, ah, I mean, itong ilaw na 'to is sapat lamang sa ganitong kwarto. So, hindi mo na dadamihan ng sobrang daming ilaw, kundi kung ano yung sapat na lighting na yon, yun na yon. Yun yung example ng sustainable energy consumption. Anyway, isa pa nito is yung aircon. Yung air condition natin is itong aircon na ito is kung masyadong maliit for the room, sobrang init din. So, anong use ng aircon mo kung mainitan ka din naman? So, dapat hindi rin naman na sobrang lamig tapos konti lang naman kayo. So, depende yon sa consumption ng isang area. So, pangalawa, utilize low flow fixtures. So, sa tubig, walang masyadong leaks or yun nga, isa dito is yung flow ng mga tawag dito. Yung flow ng tubig is doon sa mga ang example nito is 'di ba may mga leak tayo doon sa ilalim ng ang tawag dito, yung P-trap ng mga CR. So dapat ma-utilize yun, dapat walang masyadong tubig na masayang. Then sa reduce stormwater runoff, yun nga yung sinasabi ko na water collector kanina is isa yon. Then sa solar panels as energy source or power source ng isang building is nandun yon. So sa ibang bansa, nandun yung vehicle charging station. So uso na rin yung mga Tesla na wala naman tayo. Meron na sa kanila yun. At isa pa, meron tayong tinatawag na yung Sustainable Development Goals of the world. So makikita nyo yon. Paki-search na lang para malaman nyo kung anong para saan yan. So what is the role of engineers in sustainable development? So ano nga ba ang role ng ng engineer sa sustainable so in order to support sustainable in the field of construction, the building and built environment have to satisfy some important criteria. This will include biodiversity enhancement, support to community, effective use of resources, pollution reduction. Wala yan sa PowerPoint, makinig kayo. Okay, production and process management. Creating healthy environment and process management. So next. So engineers can play an important role in sustainable development by planning and building projects that preserve natural resources, are cost efficient and support human and natural environment. A closed-loop human ecosystem can be used to illustrate the many activities of engineers that support sustainable development. So what would you refer? What would you prefer? So sustainable ba or development? Or ano ba? Sustainable development. Balance infrastructure needs with environmental protection to enhance the quality of life for present and future generation. So sustainable structure is more than built to last. It's livable cities, urban sustainability, green buildings, smart growth. So isa-isa yan. So technology-focused skyscraper and other structures have become the norm of the 21st century, featuring vibrant lights, environmentally friendly solutions, and groundbreaking innovations. Modern architects and engineers are taking city construction to a whole new level. So, like Dubai, di ba? Makikita nyo, sobrang wow! This is holy chart. So, this can mostly be attributed to an ever-evolving age of technology, with highly efficient programs being developed before even exhausting the previous ones. So, take a look of the world's 10 most technological advanced buildings. So, take note nyo to guys. Isa ito sa mga sinasabing green building. So, the water discuss underwater hotel Dubai. So, ito siya. Diba? San ka pa? Underwater, ano yan? So, water discuss hotels is made of two discs, one above water and the other underwater. This combo allows guests to admire panoramic view of the ocean while still enjoy warm climate. The two structural parts are united by 5 strong legs and vertical shafts. with stairway and lift. Every disc has been sized according to local conditions. Amenities of this techno-focused hotel include rec driving training facility, a cave, 4-meter deep diving pool, emergency breathing station fitted with surveillance cameras as well as air. So, ang alam ko hindi pa to existing, pero isa to sa mga design. The structure is supported by 5 solid legs connected to a seabed while the upper disc hangs just above the water surface. This two technical solution ensures the water discus is safe in case of high tsunami that can normally affect the nearby coastal areas. The strength of technical solution and construction used ensure the immersed this resurface automatically in the event of emergency. What's more, a wide shaft with vivid views of the sky provide a safe feeling of spacious, reducing any claustrophobic sensation normally associated with enclosed underwater spaces. So, diba, saan ka makakaisip ng ganyan? Dalawang disc sa baba at sa taas. Diba? So, check nyo lang kung existing na siya, pero baka ginagawa pa or what. So, feeling ko, tinayo naman yan dahil, bago itayo yan is, nagkakaroon muna ng assessment kung prone nga ba sa tsunami or syempre ilalagay yan sa gulf siguro or look ba yung parang bay yung naka-enclose siya ng mga land para hindi masyadong maapektuhan yung water. So that's it. So ito, existing na to guys, the Taipei 101, once known as the tallest building in the world before being overtaken by 2010 by Burj Khalifa. So Taipei 101 has a lot more up its sleeves than sheer height. With 101 floors, kaya tinawag na 101, this technology-based structure has actually been awarded for leadership in industrial design and making it the largest and tallest eco-friendly building in the planet. It features double-pane windows that hinders external heat by up to 50%, while about 30% of the building water requirements are met by recycling. Satellite and fiber optic internet has always been available since the building was open and updated constant basis. The lift is also one of the fastest in the world, even incorporating braking system and for emergency. So, meron din si Taipei 101 na tinatawag na yung sa earthquake related na. Meron siyang malaking ball sa gitna na sobrang bigat na pag gumalaw yung lupa is yung ball na yon ang magko-control, mag-absorb ng movement ng earthquake para hindi masyadong gumalaw yung building. So, sa earthquake engineering matututunan niya yan. So, napakatalino talaga, napakatalino ng gumawa ng Taipei 101. So, yan ang Taipei 101. Ginawa namin yung miniature. So, panalo kami dyan. Wala lang. Ang kabataan ko pa. So, sunod is the Apple Campus 2 Cupertino, USA. First announced, ito siya, wow. Hindi ito mga familiar sa akin. First announced in 2006 by Steve Jobs, Apple began constructing Campus 2 in the late 2013 on its 176-acre second campus. 12,000 are expected to occupy. So, parang official. This facility, once it is completed at nag-start na ng 2017. The campus is situated about 1 mile east of current HQ headquarters in Cupertino, California, and is often dubbed the Apple Spaceship because of the appearance of the main circular building on the site. So one particularly interesting element of the campus project is the dramatically unmistakable, virtually invisible glass laminated window that doubles as act walls. So the outside spaceship ring is surrounded by 46 feet long. So both these panels are accurately curved to form the revolutionary cylindrical glass coating of the building, incorporating such as tremendous glass expanses require a novel design that was first investigated in the form of prototype. Apple had turned to JEDDAH for the large glass panels, who are the world's biggest manufacturers of large formatting, insulating, extremely high quality safe glass and so on. So, puro glass lang naman siya. So, yan siya guys. Spaceship nga. So, the JEDDAH Tower. Although the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is recognized as the tallest building in the world, that title might change hands very soon, courtesy of Saudi Arabia JEDDAH Tower. So when the last cloud-piercing parts of the building are done in 2020 to achieve the planned height. Hindi ko alam guys kung tapos na ano, pandemic kasi 320, pang alam ko hindi pa kasi hindi pa naman nababalita. 3,280 feet, the tower can then claim the record. Also known as the Kingdom Tower, the JEDDAH will accommodate the JEDDAH highest observatory world and will be mixed-purpose building with overall floor of 245 square meters. This will include 36 apartments. So, ito yun guys. Diba? Yan. Yan na yung pinakamataas. State-of-the-art infrastructures. Tingnan natin. While the Yokohama Landmark Tower, standing at 296 meters, the Landmark Tower comes with a total floor area of around 392,885 square meters and features a hotel, offices, and shopping mall. Middle Tower. So, sitting below buildings are rollers that serves as shields against earth. So, meron siyang rollers sa baba, allowing the earth. Ito yan, oh, yan guys, oh. Maliit lang pala. Allowing the earth underneath to move without intervening. Yun nga, parang ma-absorb ng ano lang siya, gagalaw-galaw. But the show does not end there, as the building also use a mass damper. Ito yung tinatawag sa Taipei 101, yung mass damper mechanism that weights everything down and stops it from moving during excessive high winds. So sa high winds naman to, pero ganun din naman sa Taipei 101. Yung mass damper niya, parang dinadump niya nga yung, kaya tinawag siyang mass damper is, using the mass is nadadump niya yung movement ng any like earthquake. This is accentuated by the flexible materials employed in construction. So this one yan guys. BSKYB HARLEQUIN 1. The modernized broadcasting house for Sky TV was launched in 2011, introducing true industrial design and a whole bunch of technical advances. Most of these are centered around the building, ventilations, and lighting. So, ito yun guys. Maganda. Maganda siya. So, massive vents make their way up the side, allowing for natural ventilation by keeping the noise out while letting the air in. Oh, 100% of the water requirements for the 100 is by the rainwater tank, sabi ko sa inyo guys. While the heating is catered by the biomass system. Maganda. The result is impressive, 67% reduction. Wow, ang laki na rin yun guys. So, Samsung headquarters, San Jose. So, San Jose, Romblon. This 10-story R&D center is ideal for budding investor incorporating the wonders of nature inside. Ito yun guys. Oh, wow. Samsung. 3 garden floors, boasts running paths, trees, and recreational amenities for up to 250 Samsung scientists. Additionally, there are generous parking facilities doubled as a source of energy, since the roof of the entire vehicle storing structure is made of solar paneling. Large glass windows offer natural light and panoramic views from multiple office spaces. So, this one. Ito yan. So, the Torre Akbar. Torre Akbar marked the beginning of the country's technological district. It boasts a tactile lighting system known as nocturnal illumination. In a nutshell, the building is covered with 4,500 LED bulbs of colorful light leading to ocean after dark appearance. The innumerable temperature sensors hindi ko alam to, running all over the structure for monitoring the outside weather. So, shutting and opening blinds when it deems necessary. So, yan. Maliwanag siya. Maliwanag siya. So, the HEARST is also one of the rarest skyscraper to go green. In fact, it is recognized as the first green office building in New York City. But what makes it so eco-friendly? Tanungin mo. For starters, it boasts a conductive limestone flooring covering the lower atrium in addition to a polyethylene tubing incorporated into the wall. This helps maintain the water circulation for cooling, which is the fat collected from rain. Oh! Skyscraper lang siya, guys. So that is the tower, HEARST Tower. So the Leslie Dan Faculty of the Pharmacy pala, Toronto Canon. The Leslie Dan Faculty of Pharmacy is not your typical school. The building is designed with two suspended lecture hall pods that lit up in a color-coordinated style at night, producing a striking sci-fi sensation. Unlike the most... Ooh, yan na yun. Leslie Dan is not very eco-friendly. In fact, it couldn't be further from this. It uses twice as much power. Oh, ba't nilagay? Just imagine the future. Ano naiisip nyo? Anong magandang itatayo nyo dito sa Ujongan? Yung mga building ba na may second floor pero walang first floor? Or lumilitaw? Parang ganon guys. Basta as long na sustainable siya. Very good siya sa atin profession. So, any questions? Wala na. So, i-explain ko lang yung aking final requirement. Pero, wait. Check ko guys. Wait lang So, this one. Ito yung aking yan yung aking final requirement for you. Sana yan? Okay, ito. Create a movie trailer showing the future of civil engineers. So, masyadong broad kasi siya dyan. So, sa explanation ko nito is gagawa kayo ng trailer na as a civil engineers in the future. So, parang featuring Romblon State University ha. So, kunyari, as a student ka ng Romblon State University, may mga effects. Trailer lang siya guys ha. Trailer lang. Yung parang, igugrupo ko kayo. Trailer lang yun. Parang nasa movie ka na featuring civil engineers in the future. So, kayo lang din. Parang ano yung pinaka-idea nyo. Parang, ganun yung team niya ha. Yung team niya talaga is parang future civil engineers. So, kayo nang bahala. Kayo may sariling magbibigay ako ng rubrics or rubrics ba tawag doon para sa ganitong activity. So this ito yung final requirement nyo, not required na na matapos agad, pero within the SEM siya guys. So kung matapos yung SEM na to, before matapos ang SEM na to, doon ko palang ibibigay yung grade din. Pwede nyo ipasa yun. So hindi yan rush ha. As long na i-group nyo na-group ko kayo at masimulan nyo na, bahala na kayo. So, that's all. Okay na. I-explain ko pa to. Magsasend ako ng rubrics. That's all and thank you.